Hello Smarties! Welcome back to our Arabic lesson. First, let's revise our wave letters. Do you remember the wave letters? I'll leave a link for you over here. You can also find the link for the wave letters in the description box below. The wave letters look like waves, and you must notice their dots very carefully. Some of them have one dot, some of them have two, and some of them have three. And some of them have the dot on top, and some of them have it below. Let's practice. Na, ta, ba, tha, ya. One more time. Na, ta, ba, tha, ya. Very good. Now it's time to meet our new friends, the loopy loop letters. The first loopy loop letter we will learn today is the letter Ha. He looks like a really happy guy. Happy guy Ha. And do you remember our friend the Fatha? The Fatha makes the A sound. So loopy loop Ha with a Fatha, Ha. Ha, 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 ha. You might be wondering why the happy guy looks so different. We will learn about this another day. Bye, happy guy Ha. Our next letter is the letter Fa. Fa is a loopy loop letter with one dot on top. Fa with a fatha makes Fa. Fa, 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 fa. But wait, what about Noon? Noon also has one dot on top. You are right, both Noon and Fa have one dot on top. But Noon looks like the waves of the ocean. And Fa looks like loopy loops. Can you spot the hidden Fa? Where is our loopy loop Fa? Here it is, you found it. Our next letter is the letter Qaaf. Qaaf is a loopy loop letter with two dots on top. Qaaf with a fatha, Qa. Qa, 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 Qa. So Qaaf is a loopy loop letter with two dots on top, and Fa is a loopy loop letter with one dot on top. Can you spot the hidden Fa? Remember that Fa only has one dot on top. You found it! Here is our Fa. Our next letter is the letter Meem. Meem. The letter Meem makes the M sound. M for mama. And some mamas have cute long hair, and some mamas have cute short hair. Meem with a fatha makes the M sound. Ma, 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 ma. Our last letter for today, the last loopy loop letter, is the letter Waaw. The letter wow makes the v sound and it looks like a worm. Wow with the fatha makes wa. Wa, 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 wa. Let's revise our loopy loop letters. Here we have the happy guy ha. We have the wormy wa. The mama with the short hair ma. The loop with one dot on top fa. The loop with two dots on top qa. And the mama with the long hair ma. Ha, wa, ma, fa, qa, ma. Can you do this by yourself? If you need a little help, do it with me. Fa, qa, wa, ha, ma, fa, qa. Very good. That brings us to the end of the lesson. Do not forget to revise your wavy letters and your loopy loop letters. إلى اللقاء.